Hey guys, let me show you how to properly disconnect both batteries on your truck, guys. First things first, guys, you're gonna need either an 8mm regular wrench, 8mm ratchet wrench, an actual ratchet with an 8mm socket, deep, shallow, it doesn't matter, guys. Also, guys, channel locks. The channel locks are for kind of a last resort kind of thing. If the nut on it is stripped, guys, you can use the channel locks. It'll save your life. Always start with the negative side, guys. Both batteries. First do one negative. Once you got the nut loose, guys, just twist it back and forth and it's off, guys. Set it off to the side safely. Move on over to the next one, guys. Go back and forth there too. Don't forget, guys, this is to kind of loosen it up, to spread it open. There you go, guys. Both batteries are safely disconnected and now you can get to work.